How to take apart a power nozzle on the Shark DuoClean Ion Flex. This is a cordless vacuum with model numbers starting IF. Upright models with these clips on the top may differ slightly as far as screw sizes and positions go. You're going to need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flat-headed screwdriver and then a tiny flat-headed screwdriver. Once you've released the top panel, we just need to pull out the soft roller at the front and put that to one side. Turn the power nozzle over and you'll see the screw holes. You need your T20 Torx screw for this. There's 2 at the back, 4 across here, and then there's just 2 there behind the main brush bar. There are hundreds of different Shark models and all the screw layouts and sizes do differ between them all. I'm slowly trying to add them to our playlist. Please see that on my YouTube channel. The next step is to turn the floor tool on its side, and with our small thin screwdriver we're just easing up the screw cover. There's 1 on each side and they just lift up like so. Underneath there's a T20 Torx screw, so we just undo those, 1 on each side. And then it's worth mentioning for later on when you're putting it back together, these screws are actually shorter that go in the sides than the ones that go underneath. Before taking the sides off, just make sure that this screw is fully out of the floor tool. There's 1 on each side there. Right, now you need to pull the side out with your hand. Put your screwdriver in here where the screw hole is and then ease it out, and then the rest will just pull away. I'm going to show you again on the other side. You pull in with your hand, putting the screwdriver into the back where the screw hole is and then just easing it out and pulling. This one popped off a little bit more violently. It happens. The belt is here that turns a small roller, and then here you have the mechanism that opens the top. Now this can escape on its own accord when you're taking off the sides, so I'll just show you all that now. If this all pops out like so, how to put it back together is you put the spring in first onto a little nipple type thing that's there, and then this mechanism goes in, and then with your small screwdriver just ease the spring back, and then that just goes on a little noggin on this bit here. And all pushes in and you're back together again, easy as that. On the other side you have the main belt that drives the main brush bar from the motor. There's a small wheel here that can come out as well, so be careful of that. Now the motor is held in by 2 cross-headed screws here and here. The brush bar has 2 Torx screws here and here if you want to get to them. Now if you want to access the circuit board and motor itself, you need to release this cover here. This just pulls up, nice and easy. If it's not pulling up easy, you may have missed a screw. Inside there's a circuit board and motor. Now I'm going to show you how to put it all together again. Making sure there's no wires that are going to get trapped, we put on the panel at the top. This just pushes down for now. And then turn the floor tool on its side. You need to get the side panels and they literally just press in. You don't need to do anything else. Just press in like so. If they're a bit stubborn, just keep pressing. Next we get our shorter T20 screws, put 1 on each side. Once we've done this, we need to get our covers. These have little legs on them that correspond to small little holes in the floor tool. It's hard to show you on camera, but yeah, if you make sure these are that way round, and then they just press in nice and easy. If they're not pressing in easy, you may not have them the right way round. Okay, I've tried to show you that best I can, I'm so sorry. Right, okay, moving on, we're just putting our screws back in the bottom. All the T20 screws that we have left, all go in the bottom. If you have a screw left over, congratulations, you're just like me most of the time. Turn the floor tool over, and we're simply replacing the soft roller, goes in cog end first, and then pushes in so the little pull label is facing outwards. And then the top cover goes in, backwards first and then press down on each front corner, and your repair is complete. I do hope you found this video helpful. I will be adding more models as soon as I possibly can. In the meantime, please subscribe for more Shark repair videos and also cleaning videos like this next one, showing you how to clean the orange roller on the front of your floor nozzle.